Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another tutorial of UK Textions. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UK Textions Tutorial. In today's tutorial we will discuss about service. What is service and how to use service? What are the type of service? So what is service? Service is a component that allow users to perform long ongoing jobs, right? How to start a service we will find in the tutorial, right? What are the kinds of service, right? There are three types of service: foreground service, background service, and bound service. So let's discuss in brief about foreground service. The foreground service are the service that a user can interact with it. The real life example of foreground service is when we are installing an application from Play Store, Google Play Store. It shows an icon on the top of the status bar that animate that the something is downloading or something is ongoing. When we drop down the notification bar or notification panel, it shows clearly that the Play Store is downloading an application with a application name. We can pause it or cancel it, right? So the interacting with the service is known as foreground service. What are background service? User cannot interact with the background service. How? Another example of a service that is background service. So when we click this location icon, right, what we have to switch it off and then we have to switch it on, right? It's just show it on the top here right now, but later on it will hide. Okay, now the application is hide the notification icon of the location, but still it's running. So this is the background service that it's providing the latitude and longitude to the application or the server. The user can't interact the live location or it's sending to anywhere, and whatever it's performing the job, how many applications are using this location item. So this is background service. The provider is providing the longitude and latitude in the background. What is bound service? Bound service are similar to background service, but the process of bound service are when the service is started and there are two applications and that are binding the service of location, right? This is the location service. Let us suppose this is the location service and we are bounding it at once, right? So when I want to switch it off or when my work is completed, I just unbind this application, but this application will not close until unless the last user will unbind this service, right? So bound service is to bound a particular activity and it will close after all the activities unbind this app service, right? So these are the three types of service. So today we will learn about simple foreground service. So I created here a UI that simply shows a start service, a stop service image, and here is also an image that hides by creating a Java class, and let's say the class name is media service, right? So we are playing a music in this service class. Now I have to extend the service. It will implement some methods, right? It implements only one method, which is onBind. So if we want to bind this service with another activity, we can only say bind this service, right? In next tutorial I will show you how to bind a service, but today I will just show you how to start a service. So we will start with the onCreate, then on start command, and then on destroy, right? If there is no binder, we will pass here the null. If there is a binder, then we will provide it the iBinder variable. So let's create a iBinder variable also, right? so it will return the iBinder, right? If any of the indent bind this service, it will return this binder variable, right? Let's create a media player service, media player, and then we will say media player, and then I have to create a raw folder here from which I want to start a music, right? So let's create a raw folder. We have to copy this file, MP file, and then we have to paste it into the raw folder. And simply what we have to do here, we will do simple things. Media player equals to media player dot create this. I will pass the context of this service and then just pass the raw dot music file. If we want to play the media player in the loop, what we will do, media player dot set looping true, and then just start the media player. If we want to stop the media player here, on destroy we will say if media player is not equals to null, then stop the media player. Right. Now in main activity, in Manifest activity, we have to initialize our service here. So we say media service and then close the tag. Now in main activity, we have to initialize some views. So let me initialize views and I will get back to you. So I created here 3 variables and initialized these variables here. Now just passed here start button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we will say start the service by using start service method. New intent, right? Then main activity context, then the class of the service, right? Same we will do to stop the service by btn stop service dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we will same here call stop service new intent, then pass the main activity context and then the service class. One more thing we have to do here, just to give a view, we will say set visibility option visible, and on this stop version we have to visibility gone first. So let's run it and see what is. So the application is launched here. Let's start the service here and let's see what it will do. So it's playing the music. So if I stop the service, what it will do? It just stops the service and as well as the music also. So let's start the music and leave it for 2 to 3 seconds or 20 to 15 seconds to show it if it's playing in the loop or not. Let me press the home button, so it will say that it's running in the background, right? let's see the music is rerun or made stopped. So it's playing in the loop, right? The service in the background, but it's running and still it's playing the music, right? So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Also comment on this video, tell us about, so comment on this video or any other video and let us tell what you want to learn with us. Also share it with your friends and like our Facebook page. Do subscribe us and stay healthy, stay blessed, stay happy. Keep watching us and stay connected with us. See you with another exciting tutorial inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.